Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DNNhero.com, and today we're going to be talking about how to create a social network with DNN and the help of VivoSocial, which is a set of modules. Actually, let's call it a big package of modules that when we put them together, they will bring all or a lot of features that a social network or a social website would be nice to have, So let's start a little bit and talk a little bit about VivoWare in social. Let me get the name right here. VivoSocial. Okay, so this is a bit of a one-off type of module or type of module setup because they don't charge for the module. The module is open source, which again, it's quite different from what we see in terms of modules in the DNN ecosystem. So, and actually, just a bit of a parenthesis here. Big thanks to Jeff Smith from VivoWare. He provided me a lot of information, and he was the starting point of this video here. So again, VivoSocial, this is a set of modules. Here's their website, and I went to their download page. I'm already registered to their website, so to be able to download the modules that are part of VivoSocial, you will have to register to the website, and then you will be able to download them. Now, when you come to the download area, you're going to see a lot of different downloads here. And to be honest, usually that scares me a little bit because now I need to, put this social site together that may have a lot of social features, but now I have to deal with a bunch of modules here. But again, there are reasons why there are so many modules. One is because to put everything in the same installation package, it would be a big package. Not everybody will need all those features. So very wisely, the module was broken down into separate, smaller modules. So, but just having a first look here, we see a lot of things that we can download. Now, one nice piece of information here is that there's this flag that says importance, and you can see that it's optional, needed, and I think there is another in recommended. I saw recommended here. Yes, recommended. So when you see needed, it's because that module you will need it to do anything with this package of modules. So you have to download those modules. You have to install them when they are flagged as needed. Now we're gonna start this. I would say this video here in a slightly different way because there are so many modules around this package. Very wisely, Jeff has provided one single DotNetNuke installation that brings all those modules already preloaded, already set up. Now, I have not tried that yet, and that's the first time that I'll be trying that, and that's the goal of this video today. This is our only goal here, is to download this package that is called VivoSocial. This is, as you can see here, this is the full DNN 6.13, which is almost the latest version. Latest one is 6.14, but again, very, very current. So you're gonna download this package, and everything as it says here is pre-configured already. So I'm hoping that once I get this restored in my local system and I bring the site live, I will be able to see all those different pieces, all those different modules already in place. And again, that will give me a good head start on using this module. Now, this is not an upgrade package. This is really a full DNN package here. And again, if you are just starting things out, you may want to start from there. You may want to start with this package that brings everything together already. But again, that's the focus today. Let's download this, let's install in our local environment, and let's see how it looks like. because to be honest, I have not seen it yet. Now, I have downloaded already. Just another side note, you have here a nice set of manuals, all PDFs that you can download, and you can see instructions on each one of those modules, including the installation of VivoSocial, this big installation package that you're gonna do right now. So without further ado, let's get this going. I have downloaded already. Here's the folder. Here is the package that I have downloaded, 134 megabytes. It's including the site files and the database backup as well. So start from scratch. Now I have unzipped this package, and here's the folder. Now I'm going to set this up on IIS, and then I'm going to set this up, the database as well, under SQL Server. My environment here is a Windows 7 and IIS 7.5 and SQL Server 2008 R2. Okay, so that's my setup. I have decided to create a local domain called myvivo.com, and if you want to see how you can trick your computer and think that you have the domain running in your local system, you can see the video that I'm linking below. So just have a look below and you'll see a link for that video as well. But at the end here, I'm going to be typing in the browser myvivo.com, and it will be bringing up this website, this package, this .NetNuke package that has all the Vivo social modules already pre-installed. So here's the site. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to set up this site under IIS, and we're going to make it point to this folder. So I'm going to open IIS here. I'm going to set up a brand new site. I'm going to call this myvivo.com. And the physical path, I have it somewhere here. Okay, so here's the address. Just gonna go there. Oops, actually I have to expand. That's fine. So let's expand this videos. And here is the folder. So point to the folder to where I have unzipped that big package. Host name, I'm gonna set this as myvivo.com. I'm gonna leave it at that. And I have a brand new site, point to that folder. So that's about it from an IIS point of view. Now let's take care of the security of that folder. I'm just gonna go back here to Windows Explorer. The root folder, I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna go to properties under security. I'm going to add the IIS pool here and give it full access. Let's check the name. Okay, and I'm gonna give full control to that user. I think that should do it. Apply, okay. So it's applying. Okay, so it's applied. I'm gonna click OK. So now we have security done, we have IIS done. Let's restore the database. Now, the database backup is under the main folder, and then you go to app data. And here is the database backup that we're gonna try right now to restore on SQL Server Management Studio. Now I have it here already open. Just gonna expand the databases. I'm going to right click and try here under restore database. I'm going to create my Vivo. That's the name of the database from a device, and I'm gonna select that backup. I'm gonna add, and here it is. Actually, let's scroll down. I'm gonna go to that folder, which is under another drive. Okay, videos, and that's the latest video, VivoSocial, app data, and here's the backup. So I'm gonna select it, confirm, I'm gonna restore this backup and let's just move it over here. I'm gonna hit OK, cross my fingers, executing 100%. You should have the backup finished, the restoration finished in a second. Okay, restore of my Vivo completed successfully. Great. Perfect. This is the end of part 1 of the introduction video on VivoSocial.